It's so cool to see the Golden Gate like this.
So 6 here, Papa, straight out, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff. You brought your parachute, right? Good afternoon, renew ground, Skyhawk 23841 over at Squad 2 with uniform request taxi to the active. We'd like to do a bay tour, overfly SJC along the coast.
Skyhawk 23841, ready to ground, runway 31 right, taxi via Zulu, squawk 5370.
5370, 31 right, via Zulu, 23841.
I'm so excited! Yay!
It'll be a lot of fun. Afternoon, ready to tower, Skyhawk 23841, holding short, runway 31 right.
Skyhawk 23841, ready to tower, right downwind, runway 31 right, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind, 31 right, clear for takeoff. 23841. Alright, finals clear. Here we go.
Skyhawk rolling, correction, straight out departure.
Straight out departure for 23841. Second. Tower 23841, we're going to just abort here at Bravo and like to taxi back. Our oil cap popped open.
941 roger, runway 31 right, taxi via Yankee, advise and ready.
31 right via Yankee, we'll let you know through 23841. Sorry, so my cowling, my little cap for the oil just came a little loose. And tower 23841, 1 right.
941, straight out, runway 39, clear for takeoff.
31 right, clear for takeoff, 23841. Alright, final is still clear, runway environment is sterile.
Contact San Jose Tower, 124.0.
124.0, have a good day, 23481. San Jose Tower, good afternoon, Skyhawk 23481, outer read, climbing through 600.
Skyhawk 23841, San Jose Tower, same intent.
I'd like to fly over the field and do a bay tour, head towards the coast, going north.
Cessna 841 ident.
Ident for 23841.
Cessna 841, radar contact, mile north, Reed Hillview Airport, flighting 270, maintain VFR to below 2,500.
270 at or below 2,500 VFR, 23841.
November 23841, contact NorCal departure 121.3, have a good day.
121.3, well have a good day, 23841.
Look over there, you can see the Levi Stadium and Great America.
Good afternoon, NorCal, Skyhawk 23841 with you, 270 heading 2300.
Okay, 23841, NorCal approach radar contact remains outside of San Francisco Bravo airspace.
Or remain outside the Bravo for 23841. So we're actually going to be popping through, you can see a small valley directly below the sun.
Yes.
We're going to be popping right through there. Half Moon Bay is going to be on the other side of that, and then we'll go up the coast from there.
Yes. I'm so excited. So cell tower.
841, contact approach 135.1. See ya.
35.1. Have a good weekend. We'll see you.
NorCal, good evening. Citation 34 Sierra Tango with you. 7,800 for 7,000. Rebus.
Number 34 Sierra Tango, NorCal approach, fly heading 120, descend and maintain 5,000.
120 and 5,000 for 4 Sierra Tango. We've got Bravo.
Thank you.
Afternoon, NorCal. Skyhawk 23841 with you, climbing through 2400 for 2,500.
Number 23841, NorCal approach, camera cell altimeter 2994.
2994.
So when you are going to come on a flight, you just tell them as you're doing it? You don't have to like do it beforehand or stuff?
You can do both. Before we even took off, I filed a flight plan, activated it, and then once we're up in the air, that's when I'm already talking to them, so they're aware of what they can expect what I'm going to do.
Got it. Oh my God, Claudia would love this. We're literally chasing the clouds.
That's pretty.
There's just something about the ocean that's just calming. That's so gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that.
Alright, so we got Half Moon Bay straight ahead of us.
Cessna 841 traffic, 2 miles north of Half Moon Bay, southeast, bound along the coastline. The altitude indicates 1,500.
Okay, we're looking for 841.
841, did you want to go up the coast, Onion Tour, or do you want to go just west of 101 there?
We plan on going along the coast up to the Golden Gate and then probably over to Oakland, back down to San Jose.
841, Roger. Do you want to do that beneath the Bravo, or you want to clear into 35?
I can fly it below and stay on the Bravo. And I do have that traffic for 841.
That's 841.
Look at how beautiful that is. Look at the colors.
The colors of the sky. Look at how beautiful the waves look.
I was just thinking that. I was just going to tell you that. Oh my God. This is a trip. Look at all the just squares of houses and stuff.
Southwest 1050, NorCal approach, hello, follow 30 transition. 30 transition, Southwest 1050, I'd like to put the RNAV Zulu on request, if we could. Yeah, that's it on.
It's so cool to see the Golden Gate like this.
That's crazy, Alcatraz.
It's super awesome. Palace of Fine Arts.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
November 841, Roger, east of Lake Chabot outside the Oakland Class Charlie, altimeter 2906.
Okay, east of Lake Chabot outside the Oakland Charlie, and I think you said 2906?
Affirmative.
Roger for 841.
Cessna 841, contact NorCal 125.35, good day.
25.35, have a great weekend, 841. Good evening, NorCal, Skyhawk 23841 with you, 1,800.
2341, NorCal approach, the Oakland altimeter 2906.
2996, 841. You want to fly?
Okay.
Yeah? Alright.
Let's do it.
So again, it's just, if you pull back on it nice and easy, we'll go up a little bit. If you push down, just nice and easy, it'll go down. Alright, your controls. What we'll do, I want to have you point right over here. Go ahead and start turning to the left. Now when you turn, you need to pull a little bit just to maintain altitude.
Okay.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Keep going, I'll tell you when to level off. And to level off, you just straighten it up. There you are. Alright, level it off right there. What we'll do, we'll go through this valley over here, through the Calaveras, and pop right back out on the other side of the hill.
Okay.
You're a pro. You should become a pilot.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm flying!
And approach 841 has Victor, Reed Hill Hill.
841, Roger.
Hey, what about that airplane?
So that guy, let's see, oh, he is United Flight 1424, it's on the map. He is 7,000 feet above us. He's going to San Francisco, so he's still up at 10,000 feet. So that water right there, that's Calaveras Reservoir. Good evening, Reed, Hillview Tower, Skyhawk 23841 back with you with Victor to land over Calaveras.
Cessna 23841, ready to tower, good evening, right traffic on 809, clear to land.
Right traffic, 31 right, clear to land, 841. Alrighty, since we're almost there, I want to take controls. I've got the airplane, thank you, great job.
Oh god, that was awesome!
Alright, we're going to descend just a little bit, so you're going to feel a little...
Skyhawk 938, 911, ready to be tower without delay, on 839, clear for takeoff, right downwind. Clear for takeoff, 31 right, right downwind, 891.
Downwind.
Cessna 841, traffic departing ahead of you, Cessna.
Roger, I got up tight. back home.
Cessna 841, taxi to parking via Zulu. Good night.
Parking via Zulu. You guys have a good weekend. 841, see ya.